Namaste everyone. I am Sukriti Sharma and I welcome you all here at Nutric Properties. And today we are having with us Mr. Param Gyani, and he has recently purchased a property with us in our project called Regal Garden, and he's here to share his experience, his review with us. So let's hear from him. Namaste sir.
Namaste.
How are you sir?
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, as you mentioned in the earlier only that this is your first property in India itself. So, what Nutric did for you that you choose it, and how did you met it? How did you get to know about it?
Okay. So, Sukriti, first of all, that's a great question. I've been kind of born and brought up in Gwalior only, right? And I left Gwalior in 91, stayed in Delhi for a couple of years. I was in touch. Then 94, I kind of left the country altogether. My extended family is here. किसी से भी बात करो यहाँ पर ग्वालियर में, उनसे पूछो कि मेरे को दूसरा घर खरीदना है, पेरेंट्स का घर पुराना हो गया है, सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या बोलेंगे? भैया, अंकल, भाई, खरीदना तो न्यूट्रिक खरीदना।
ओके।
अब उसके बाद किसी चीज़ को कुछ सोचने के लिए वक्त ही नहीं मिलता कि आज जब एक नहीं सभी आपको ये बोल रहे हो, तो देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग, राइट? फॉर मी इट्स completely new. Because as you said, I haven't bought any properties in Gwalior. But when you have so many recommendations, there can't be anything that you can kind of disagree to.
Correct.
Right? So that was the starting point. Does that help?
So, sir, like when you hear something from other people, so maybe family or friends, so whatever they said to you, did Nutric met your expectation with their words?
Did Nutric met the expectations? I didn't walk into it with certain expectations to start with because I didn't have an experience to be able to ki ye hona chahiye, wo hona chahiye.
Correct.
Right? So I had no expectation. But at the same time, my unspoken expectation is seamless transaction, seamless process.
Yeah.
Right? And that was fabulous. Fabulous. There are a few names that I can mention, like
Correct.
Pawan. I mean, fabulous person, amazing service, always there for you. जब भी आप उसको मैसेज डाल दो, कुछ भी पूछना हो, immediately जवाब देगा.
Correct.
Second person, Puneet.
Okay.
Himanshu, right? You name it. Each and every person in the company, those who were giving me guidance, saying, okay, sir, ये unit है या ये unit है, आपकी requirements क्या हैं, उसके basis पे guidance actually kind of going well beyond I expected. As I said, I didn't set the expectation, but I wasn't expecting that they will be kind of listening to what my needs are.
Correct.
Right? Maybe I'm an early person who's taking it, right? So it was a unique experience. They understood the needs and based on that they defined it. एक आपको खुद को भी नहीं पता होता कि आपकी ज़रूरतें क्या हैं. And when you discuss with family members, when you kind of discuss that with the extended family members, I would consider Pawan as an extended family member in that sense. वो समझ रहा है किस चीज़ की आपको ज़रूरत है, right? उसके basis पे, because he knows the entire building, entire project,
Correct.
he is able to guide you and walk you through it. So whether it's Pawan, his experience, the way he treats it, or whether it's a Nutric, for me it's both the same. Pawan is a representation of Nutric for me.
Correct.
And if that's the representation, उससे अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Let's put it that way.
Okay.
Right? So that was a process in terms of identifying the unit which will work the best for me and for my needs, for my family. That was the best thing to happen.
Correct.
Right? But it doesn't stop there.
Correct.
It doesn't stop. Because once you have made a decision कि ये वाली यूनिट है या इस तरह से है, उसके आपकी नीड्स के हिसाब से कैसा हो रहा है, उसके बाद तो प्रोसेस शुरू हुई. पहले तो आप आ गए, देख करके चले गए, बढ़िया है.
Correct.
पर अब जब आपने एक डिसीजन ले लिया है कि अब आपको आगे बढ़ना है, yes you want to move forward, the actual process starts from there. And then you came in, a blessing.
Thank you so much.
Right? कि सुकृति है, सर संभाल लेगी, पवन का ये था, संभाल लिया सुकृति ने.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it was absolutely from end to end. I could not have expected better than the service that I got.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope it continues as we move into the property and Nutricana stays behind that.
Certainly, sir. We'll try our best to, make you feel family.
Thank you.
Sir, in my initial conversation, I actually forgot to ask. Can you please tell us about your profile? What do you do and where do you live? So that will help us, our client, to understand like how did you end up here?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, I was born and brought up in Gwalior. So Gwalior घर है मेरा जैसे. पर 30-32 साल से मैं बाहर रह रहा हूँ. So experiences different हैं. But at the end of the day, जो होम टाउन की जो फीलिंग होती है वो ग्वालियर देता है.
Correct.
राइट. तो उस हिसाब से जब मैं देखता हूँ कि न्यूट्रिक जैसे है या ग्वालियर जैसे है, इट्स अ गुड प्लेस टू बी. नाउ आर देयर पोटेंशियल्स? दैट्स समथिंग वी हैव टू सी. बट डेफिनेटली इफ यू आर फ्रॉम हियर, देन इट्स वर्थ टू काइंड ऑफ spend some time here.
Certainly, sir. And sir, also would like to know, as a NRI, you might have felt in the beginning itself that you might, there were some challenges at the time of, registries. So, how did Nutric help you overcome through those challenges?
So, I was aware of being an NRI, and NRI without having an Aadhaar card. Okay.
It's a big challenge.
Right? That I knew it's a problem.
Yeah.
Because the way our system is, it's kind of getting better overall India, right?
Yeah.
But it's not there. Especially for NRIs, it's not there.
Correct.
Right? So knowing that I don't have Aadhaar card, I have a PAN card, there are going to be challenges. So I did kind of let the team know that this is going to be the issue. And that particular process, team was aware of it. They tried their best. Okay. They tried their best to make sure that it goes seamlessly. It did. One of the recommendation I would have for the Nutric, to have better vendors or the vendors that provide the services, right?
Okay.
They need to have a very clear checklist for, especially for NRIs, जिनको इनकी आदत नहीं है सब.
Correct. We'll keep this in mind, sir.
Yeah. So in terms of the process, definitely Nutric knew it, have identified the vendors. Easier process for a person like me or a person who is an NRI would definitely benefit from having a checklist and a little bit of better service from the vendors.
Then sir, we'll try our best in the next previous, like whoever come next NRI or maybe you only. So we'll definitely going to correct it.
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Sir, one more thing जो हम पूछना चाहते थे आपसे कि as you mentioned कि आपके पेरेंट्स का घर अभी पुराना हो गया है and you want to shift them. So how important it is for your parents to have a good ambience, have a good society. मतलब ये जो सोसाइटी है रीगल, वो कैसे हेल्प करता है, मैं चाहती हूँ आप ऑडियंस को भी बताएं अगर if आपके घर में एल्डर पेरेंट्स है तो.
Again, very good question. One of the criteria for me was to make sure that safety. Right? We do have a property. It's an independent house in a safe location. But the difference between Nutric property and Regal Garden versus the independent house and one of the top locations in Gwalior is that the security system is built into it. For elderly parents, for the senior parents, they have complete control on who they allow to come in the house, who they allow to kind of stay out. Right? Who kind of make sure that security is taken care of.
Correct.
Delivery, Amazon से है, Uber Eats से है, DoorDash से है, कुछ भी है, you have a full control. कोई इस तरह से नहीं आ सकता कि हाँ मेरे को ये सर्विस बोली थी मैं देने आया हूँ. So there is a safety part of it.
Correct.
The second biggest advantage of going with something like Nutric is कि बाहर का जो हाल है सिटी का, रोड्स हैं, पानी है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, आज पानी के लिए मोटर चलानी है, आज बिजली नहीं है, आज ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. यू आर आउट ऑफ ऑल दैट.
Correct.
You are covered. And that's a big thing. When you want to kind of remove the things from your list कि मेरे को ये भी ध्यान रखना है, वो भी ध्यान रखना है, you take all that out. This is the place where you want to consider. It's your own home. At the same time, you don't have to worry about too many things.
Correct. Sir, if you want to, tell about the services and staff of Nutric, if you want to give any like score out of 1 to 10, so what will you give to the staff and services? Score.
Again, overall staff and services on a scale of 1 to 10, right? 10 being the best. 10 is the best.
Okay.
Okay. That's the way the Nutric is. and the family of Nutric, yes, each and every person, right? I would give 10 to pretty much everyone within the Nutric, right? The one thing that I would say, vendors and their service, that if that could be improved and could be brought it to 6 or 7 level, that will be even better.
Sure, sir. We
Right.
will work on it, sir.
Now, last but not the least, right? Even though it's a 10 for the overall Nutric, but if I have to pick someone, I will pick Pawan, because there is no scale for it.
Correct.
He didn't deliver 100%, he went well beyond 100%. So, if there is a number beyond 10, when 10 is the best, Pawan kind of has already crossed all the bars.
Very nice, sir. Thank you so much for sharing such beautiful experience. And if you would like to say about Nutric in few words to our future buyers, what will you say, sir?
In the context of कि किसी को घर खरीदना हो, and if they want to kind of consider Nutric, I would definitely say they need to know what they're looking for. और जो चीज़ उनको लग रहा है कि उनको पता नहीं है कि उनको क्या चाहिए, still have that list कि मुझे ये चीज़ें पता नहीं है
Correct.
and I want to know more about it. Making that choice on what you want and what you don't know yet. Both are very important because Nutric can help you answer many questions that you haven't figured it out. Right? So that's very important. Knowing कि हाँ मेरे को 2 bedroom चाहिए simple है या 4 bedroom चाहिए वो simple है.
Yeah.
पर उसके अलावा आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें जो डेली रूटीन में चाहिए, that's very important. And few to give an example, right? My parents love sunlight.
Okay.
Right? लेने को बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, बट कंसिडरिंग सनलाइट कहाँ पर है, किस तरफ से आ रही है, कितने घंटे रहती है, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इट्स अ ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस यू आर गोइंग टू बी स्पेंडिंग टाइम ऑन इट. सो इस तरह की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है, बीइंग ऑब्जर्वेंट अबाउट व्हाट योर नीड्स आर एंड शेयरिंग दैट विद न्यूट्रिक फैमिली, I think that would be the best.
Yes, correct. So if you'll share more, they will suggest you better. Yeah. Sir, would like to ask one more thing. Would you like to recommend Nutric properties to other NRIs?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing such beautiful experience, sir. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving your time.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Okay. Thank you.
Nutric Properties.